Hello everyone, this is Rishabh Singh. I'm a legal intern at Lexington Company. Today I'm going to discuss about the Advocate Act of 1961. To start with the topic of the Advocate Act 1961, it is very important to know what is an advocate and what's the role of an advocate in current times or in the particular field. So, an advocate is a professional in the field of law. An advocate is someone who can help you seek up so that your specific and important needs are heard, your rights are understood, and your problems are resolved. According to Webster's, an advocate as a person who pleads uh, another's cause or who speaks or writes in support of something. A lawyer is an advocate when he represents his client in a courtroom. The definition of an advocate is someone who fights for something or someone, especially for who fights for the rights of others. Unlike an attorney, an advocate does not directly deals with the client. The attorney refers to the client to an advocate when the situation requires it. Therefore, a good advocate is someone who is able to maintain focus on the case, even if it extends for a long period of time. Analysis and perfect analysis. No advocate can obtain the badge of good without his analytical skills. The seed of a case grows well only if it is planted deep in the ground. In 1961, the Parliament enacted the Advocates Act to amend and consolidated the law relating to the legal practitioner and and to provide for the constitution for the State Bar Council and All India Bar Council. The Advocate Act implements the recommendation of the Bar Committee in the Law Commission with some modification. The Advocate Act 1961 has discussed the formation of the Bar Council of India as an autonomous body charged to carry out certain duties and functions. The Bar Council of India is legal person. It has the right to acquire movable and immovable properties and to sue and to be sued. As per the Act of 1961, it shall be the duty of an advocate fearlessly to uphold the interest of the client by all fair and honorable means. An advocate shall do so without regard to any unpleasant consequences to himself or to any other person. In order to implement the recommendations of the All India Bar Committee, the Advocates Act 1961 came into being. The Act extends to the whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This Act aims at amending and consolidating the laws related to legal practitioners and to provide for the establishment of state bar councils and All India Bar Council. However, over the years, Bar Council of India has assumed the role of regulator of legal professionals, and also the institutions imparting the legal education. Not only this, the Bar Council of India has also assumed the role of representing the advocates. The law is the set of rules and regulations governing a society. It is a full-fledged subject studied by those who wish to enter the legal field. The history of the legal profession in India can be traced back to the establishment of the first British court in Bombay in 1672 by the governor. The admission of attorneys was placed in the hands of governor in council and not with the court. Prior to the establishment of the mayor's court in 1726 in Madras and Calcutta, there were no legal practitioners. The mayor's court established in the three presidency towns where crown courts with the right of appeal first to the governor in council and a right of the second appeal to the Privy Council. In 1971, judges felt the need of experience and thus the role of an attorney to protect the rights of his client was upheld in each of the mayor's court. So this was done in spite of opposition from council members of the governor. A second principle was also established during the period of mayor's court. This was a right to dismiss an attorney guilty of misconduct. The first example of dismissal was recorded by Mayor's Court at Madras, which dismissed Attorney Jones. So you can also find it on in the book of Indian Legal and Constitutional History by MP Jain. So I would recommend you that book. So this is all about the topic. Thank you so much.